Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to clear your browsing data in the Opera web browser. So it can include your history cookies and web caching. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up the Opera browser. And then dito lang sa top left corner, select mo lang dito yung Opera logo. And then next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung settings or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Alt plus P and then click lang natin yan. And then dito sa settings, scroll down at select lang natin itong privacy and security. Makikita mo kaagad dito yung clear browsing data. So i-click lang natin yan. And then next, dito sa clear browsing data ay may dalawang options dito na pwede nating select. Ito yung basic and then yung advanced. Alright? So, select lang natin itong basic and then dito sa kanyang time range. So, may mga options dito na pwede natin i-select. So, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and all the time. So, select ka lang dito. And then, dito naman sa baba ay makikita mo dito yung browsing history and clear history including in the search box, cookies, and other site data. So, signs you out of most sites and then yung cache, images, and files. So, check mo lang tong box and then next ay click mo lang tong clear data. Ayan. So, ganoon lang po kasimple kung paano tayo mag-clear browsing data and Opera web browser. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.